Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix VPN connects and then automatically disconnects on Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click your network adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Click Power Management, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Advanced Network Setting. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.